What's up, Fanci Friends? If this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Y'all, it's been a minute. But we're back today with a product review. So I received these complimentary products from Influenster in exchange for my honest review. This time they sent me a Crème of Nature bundle pack. So I'll give y'all a little background story. I had the silly braids, okay? That's what I call my bunch braids. But yeah, I had a few of those all over my head. I was wearing my wigs for about 2 weeks. I had my hair like that. I actually just washed my hair using the Crème of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Detangle and Slip shampoo. They sent the sample size, and this is the conditioner, and it's a rinse out and leave-in conditioner, and I did rinse it out. They sent the sample size for those two. The other products that I'm about to use now to style my hair, the Crème of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Curl Definer and Booster, the Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Elongate and Define Jelly. It says it's for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair, and my hair shrinks terribly. And lastly, we have the Crème of Nature Butter Blend and Flaxseed Double Duty Stretch and Define Pudding. As you can see in those last few products, they did send me full-size bottles. Whoop, whoop. Shout out to Influenster. But anyway, I'll be using those to style my hair in just a few minutes. I used the shampoo and conditioner while I was in the shower. I did not record that. The shampoo, I actually really liked. It was enough in that one pack for me to shampoo my hair twice. It gave a really good lather, and my hair was really soft after shampooing. Now, you know, normally after you shampoo, your hair might feel a little brittle or dry because, you know, you stripped everything from it. This shampoo did not make my hair feel like that at all. It was still very soft. Felt like I could easily detangle it and everything. Now, strangely, after using the conditioner, so I used the conditioner right after the shampoo, and like I said, I did rinse out the conditioner. Every time I wash my hair, I use a rinse out conditioner. Now, I do go behind and use a leave-in conditioner after I finish washing, because I always do some sort of a lock method after washing my hair. But anyway, I used the conditioner, and after rinsing the conditioner out, my hair actually felt more brittle than it did after I rinsed the shampoo out. So I thought that was strange. So don't know how I'm really feeling about the conditioner. Not crazy about it. Probably would not buy that, but I am gonna give it a second try, because I do have these other 2 packs. So I will give it another try, and if I decide to buy it, or if I'm interested in it or change my opinion, I'll let you guys know, but I doubt that I will. So I will say, because of how the conditioner did, I was going to use this other pack to leave it in after doing the rinse out, but I decided to go ahead and use my regular Mia Organics leave-in conditioner. I know that my hair loves that. It works well for me, so stuck with what I knew. All of these products that I'm going to be trying today, I've never used before. This is my first time ever using them. I'll let you guys know how I feel about the other products after I style my hair and do my twist out. So I'm going to be doing a cute little flat twist style, and y'all will see me looking that way because my mirror is over here. So yeah, let's go ahead, okay? First things first, let's wet this a little bit because y'all, it done dry. Y'all, this little mist bottle off of Amazon. This thing right here, I love it. Works wonders. So we went ahead and sectioned everything off so that we can re-wet it with the spray bottle, mist bottle, right from Amazon. I will have that affiliate link in the description box below. Click that link and buy for me, okay? But anyway, we'll go through and re-wet and then apply product and go ahead and get to styling, you guys. Last step. So I'm finally finished twisting, you guys, and I will be taking it out tomorrow, so you guys will get the final result, and I will let you know how I feel about these products, okay? It's day 2. So today we will be unraveling the twist, and I will be giving you guys my final review for the last 3 styling products sent for free by Influenster from Cream of Nature. I'll go ahead and take these twists out, y'all. I don't know if everybody do this when they take their twist out, but I like to wet my hands a little bit with the water, because it just be feeling a little dry to me, you know. It's just my personal preference. So I just spray my hand a little bit, you know, rub them together, then rub through. Just to give it a little bit of something up. So y'all probably don't notice, but when I'm twisting my hair in double strand twists or anything like that, I always try to twist them the same way, so that whenever I start unraveling, I always start unraveling at the root. And so I know which way to go, because all of them twist the same way. And I can just untwist it and pull them apart easily. You get what I'm saying? I don't know if that's easy for everybody else, but that's the easiest way for me. Okay? And you gotta do what works best for who? For you, honey. For you. Now, we secure these with rubber bands because we are going to take these twists out as well. Okay? All of it's coming out. Everything is getting unraveled. And once we get finished unraveling and styling, honey, we're going to go ahead and tell you about these products. Okay, babe? I'm going to go ahead and tell y'all about these products. As y'all can see, while I'm taking out the twist, while I'm unraveling them, the curl is very defined. Okay, you can see where that twist was holding at. Okay, period. I like that. That's what it's supposed to look like. This is when you know you on the brink of a good twist out, honey. A good twist out. This is how we're gonna be rocking this style. I like them loose. I like it to give that afro in the front type of look. Don't get me wrong, I liked it when it was twisted up too. You can also wear it like that for a few days. I just wanted to go ahead and take it out. Normally I would wear my twist for a few days and then take the twist out to go for a different fuller look. It looks a lot fuller with the twist unraveled than it does whenever the twister ends. 2-in-1 style, still very cute. Let's go ahead and get into these products. So this is the pudding that I use, if you guys remember, and the pudding actually says that you should section your hair off and give a generous amount to each section, which is what you guys saw me do. It also says that it works best if it's paired with the jelly, and you guys did see me pair it with the jelly. Now the jelly says that your hair needs to be wet to put it on there, so that's why you guys saw me spraying my hair with the spray bottle to make sure that it stayed moist while I was applying this jelly. And to top it all off, the curl definer and booster spray. Now I personally love these styling products. I definitely will be using them again. They definitely did an amazing job on my hair. They stretched it out, as you guys saw from the beginning. My afro shrinks. It's very small. I have to pull it out in order to get any sort of length or make it look like I have any sort of length. So I definitely was pleased with the elongation. Like I said, I definitely will be using these products again. Usually I use gel, G-E-L. This is my first time using a jelly. And I can say, like, it doesn't give me that residue feel that gel gives. Like, you know, when you put gel on your hair and you touch it, it's like a residue on your hair. This jelly, it doesn't feel like that. It just feels normal. Like my hair feels like, even after spraying this on there, you know, my hair just feels like it's regular hair. I can still touch it. I don't have to worry about getting on anything else or anything like that. And I like that. I like that a lot. Yeah, so those 3 styling products I definitely will be using again. Definitely will be using until they're all gone, and probably repurchasing if I don't find anything that I like better in the meantime, in between time.